Annabelle, did you want to say something to Mommy?
Yeah.
What?
Happy. You.
You just burped?
Happy. You. Happy to you.
Did you get her a present?
Yeah.
What'd you get her?
Person. Happy.
That's Tahoe's chair.
No. Sit.
Want Tahoe to come in here and sit with you?
Yeah.
Okay, tell Mommy happy birthday one more time.
Happy.
Is that leaf a present?